kular hakani kesni. Bangan tray hok yaki kamjong. Hok do.
Kikubor kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am kathong man long kita kinong shed hagi hotel and hagi restaurant hi bapau. Hamokam hilaban pun long hi kathong ko chongki. Ke admission club play bani ai ki course ki bapel kadon ka degree course ka diploma ba ka advanced diploma course.
Langut Gibriu kila Mynsaw jur bat arngut kila Shupang met pangphat. Hadian ba ka Dukan kala Khyllem kensan na ka jingshat Tynrah hakawi ka Swift ka balapen hairstep ba. Kadi kala jah ka khatwei trik ujliu aja pun riu ha ka pot khat arbaji minsngi ha ka snong dihar. Ka kali Swift ka badan yo number AS not iwe GQ R not sound not. Kadai ka barang warna shilong bat ha ka jingpen hairstand kala leit ben Tynrah bet ya ka Dukan bam kabashutap shiliang haduk bakala julor bat Khyllem sendan bat amtang kata kabenta basha khmat jong kali ru kala julor bha ha kani kejingja ka kong la pilang singkli bat kadaya hunding do kibasyong hapo Dukan kala Mynsaw ha kani kejingja kuntup ru ya one shan bowling do u humble star singkli bat u never san seliang kibadei na kastong dihar ya kibala Mynsaw la pinkit no sha civil hospital nongpo ban yo jing sumar bat kipulit ka nongpo kidang pelong ya ka jing tokit halo kani kejingja.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.